Good morning guys, it's another day, another start in Vishnupur. So this is our last day in Vishnupur and today we are going to check out from our hotel actually. So we have already packed our bags last night. I packed everything last night before going to sleep, and that actually saves a lot of time. Like in the morning you don't have to get up early, you don't have to hurry like where everything is to get ready and stuff. So we just have to pack like the last bit of items like a toothpaste, toothbrush, etc. So that really saves my time and I am a lot more relaxed now that I don't have to pack. So we will go to our breakfast in a little bit. We have checked out from our hotel and now we are on our way to Durgapur, and we are taking the Sonamukhi Beliator road to go to Durgapur. So the reason that we are going to Durgapur is mainly because we want to have lunch in there, and especially because we did our 4 years of engineering there, so there is some nostalgia working in there. So that is why we are going through Durgapur. So let's stay together to see where we are having our lunch and from where we are going, like how we are going from Durgapur and all. So we have taken a pit stop at Durgapur like I said, and we are here at Lemongrass to have some lunch. This is a place like I have heard when I was doing my engineering in college, and everyone used to talk about this place, so really expecting the food to be better. You're waiting for something like I have ordered some fish kasturi, which it is supposed to be a golden fried fish, and then the lemongrass special mixed fried rice. Then there is this exotic veg which they are going to do it in coriander sauce, and also we have ordered the bang bang prawn. So really waiting for the food and hope it will all be very tasty. The food has finally arrived. It was so crowded here, that is why maybe it took so much time. This is our lemongrass special mixed fried rice. This is the exotic vegetable, and this is the bang bang prawn. We are so hungry, cannot wait anymore. Let's get started. So our lunch here is done, and I liked the food, but the veggies, the exotic veg, it was little bit on the sweeter side. If you are a fan of like sweet veggies, then you would like it. I liked it, like the taste, but I would like it if it was not on the sweeter note. The bang bang prawn was really up to the mark. I really liked it, but the fried rice, they said it was lemongrass special fried rice, but it was your normal regular Szechuan mixed fried rice. Nothing special about it. I mean, I did not find anything extra special about the lemongrass special fried rice. If you come here, you can definitely try it. The ambience is good. If you are coming here with your friends for a reunion or something, you would like it. After having our lunch at Lemongrass, we have decided to go through Durgapur and just look at the places we used to frequent when we were in college and stuff. We are going to visit the lassi or the fruit juice shop where we used to go so very often when we were at college, and that was like 7 years ago, so it is a nostalgic one. And then we decided first that we will go and drop in our college for some time, but we did not actually have that time. We were kind of late to reach our destination, so that is why I dropped that idea. We just kind of roamed around in our car through those places, but did not drop in to visit actually. Maybe later we'll come back and do that, but today we are actually late. So now we are going towards Kolkata. Hey everyone, so I realized that that vlog ended quite abruptly. I actually reached quite late. We all reached quite late and we were so tired that we just didn't have enough energy to take out our cameras and again vlog and outro. So here I am. We reached Kolkata at around, I don't know, 9:30 that day. We had a very bad traffic jam. Over and all, I will say the Bishnupur trip was a success and I actually quite liked many of the places that I have seen. Although I would say that there are so many places in there that could do with proper renovation and proper care and maintenance which are not there. But the ASI have taken up quite a lot of project and they are taking care of those projects, so I am thankful to them. And you should definitely visit the place because it is such a traditional one. You would definitely love it. And when you are visiting, don't forget to talk with the local people. They are really nice and they will love to show you around and all. And also don't forget to buy stuff from the Poramatir Hut and also from the local shops. And also if you are going there, if you are a sari lover or if your friends or your family members are sari lovers, don't forget to buy the Bishnupuri silk, which is quite famous and you will only get it there. I liked the hotel we stayed in. That was such a good one by West Bengal government and I liked the places. And with that, I want to wrap up this vlog. Please stay tuned with our channel for further travel vlogs and also more unboxing ideas and also more book reviews, whatnot. And please subscribe. Please share this video with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to support us as well. Stay tuned and keep dreaming. Bye.